Hello guys, I'm Julian and today in this video I show you how to repair a float in the solar panel tank. In my case it was constantly leaking water, it wouldn't close properly. And now it's better than new one. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Don't cost you anything and help me a lot.
We have two screws here, one over here. Need to take out this one. I take out this one. Now take out this one. Have one here. And this one is broke. There in the interior is broke. This one closed the water. I use this 1 year and after that I have problem with him. Lose every time water. What I use now, I buy one of these. This is automatic, the same like the old one. It's like $6, $7. I use pipe 20. This one comes here like this, and the pipe go here. After I finish, I show you what I do. Now I finished the job. I need to put everything back. There is the automatic water stop. Here I mark to know how it is, when is in the good position. This one I need to put everything back and let's see how it works.
Now it works well. Don't lose the water. Good job. This is all for today. I was Julian. I hope this video helps you. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Don't cost you anything and help me a lot. Have a nice day.